Welcome back with Cooking with MG. Today we'll be cooking Agua Chile Negro. These will be your ingredients: some uncooked shrimp, divined and easy to peel, tajín, tapatio, Mexico Lindo, blue and orange bottles, culichi sauce, black and orange, soy sauce, Maggi sauce, some onion, hella limes, and a cucumber. First things first, you want to clean your shrimp. You want to cut in the middle in a butterfly form, devein it, and wash it with warm water. Repeat this process and make sure there's no skin. Next step, you want to squeeze your limes and get as much lime juice as possible. Once your shrimp is cleaned and cut, pour your lime juice over it, completely covering the shrimp. Once your shrimp is covered in lime juice, cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for an hour. In some extra lime juice, add 1 tablespoon of each sauce. For the soy sauce and Maggi, add 1 teaspoon. Next, you want to cut and peel your cucumber. For the next step, cut your cucumber in half and remove the seeds. Then cut your cucumber and place it in a bowl. Then remove the skin from your red onion and cut it. Let's check the sous chef. Yes, yes, very handsome. Once your shrimp is cooked, you'll know it'll turn pink. Drain the lime juice and place it with the rest of your vegetables. Then add your sauce mixture and mix it all together. Then voila, you have this beautiful plate of Agua Chile Negro decorated with avocado that you can eat with corn chips. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.